This past week, Fogo Chain's raising the bar with Valiant decks, sub 40 millisecond trades, and sex level speed, all on chain. You heard that right. Also, if you guess the testnet launch time, you could win some exclusive Fogo merch. And if you want more cool rewards, Valiant's got Discord game nights every week, so be sure to check out that. If you've got a pudgy penguin, make sure you jump into the Fogo Discord and verify. This could get you some rewards. Anyway, we've got a lot to get through. Pull up a seat by the fire, subscribe to join the camp, and help us get to 1,000 explorers. Let's dive straight in. The state of the SVM union. Rob emphasized that this isn't about Fogo Chain launching. It's about SVM survival in the broader trading layer wars. The real question is, can the Solana virtual machine ecosystem rise and stay competitive as DEX wars heat up? He stressed the need for SVM projects to stay aligned, even as independent teams, so that liquidity and user volume stay within the SVM family, especially when the market heats up. And he also stresses, relating to the Pump.Fund token launch, where so much perps trading went to Hyperliquid, that users should stay within the SVM family, and believes that gang should be, even though they're independent, they should be aligned so the whole network benefits. A post has just dropped breaking down Valiant DEX's product market fit. It is a must read. In short, traders care about execution speed and fair markets, not infrastructure buzzwords. Valiant delivers sub 40 millisecond latency, on-chain clubs, and sex quality performance, powered by Fogo's architecture. The entire thing is optimized for traders, not just devs. Speaking of Valiant, if you registered for early access to Valiant, now's the time to check your inbox. Invite waves have started going out. Be sure to follow up so you don't miss it. Robinson, co-founder Wormhole and core contributor to Fogo, posted about why Wormhole matters. And we agree. Interoperability, it just isn't a buzzword. Without it, liquidity gets stuck and UX suffers. In the short term, integrating Wormhole into Fogo Chain will make it easier for other chains. And in the long run, it's about building seamless cross-chain systems that actually work together. Doug dropped some alpha in a new Crypto Coin Show interview. There's a few key takeaways. I won't take them all away from you. However, Fogo will have a stablecoin to make institutional trading on-chain smoother. The infra is built for high-frequency, low-latency trading, real edge for pro traders, and public testnet is coming soon, we know this, and mainnet by the end of Q3 is the goal. So big momentum. Community updates. South Korea hosted a Fogo community in real life event, and one of our Fogies Hub videos was featured there. It's great to see regional momentum building, and this is aligned with our mission to onboard users onto Fogo Chain and get them trading on-chain. Also, worth noting, we ensure our videos are subtitled in multiple languages to support accessibility globally. There's a fun campaign live now. Guess the exact date and time of the Fogo testnet launch and win official merch. Top 3 closest guesses win. Valiant has launched recurring game nights on Discord every Wednesday and Friday at 1 p.m. UTC. Expect rewards and vibes. If you're a Pudgy Penguins holder, go verify in Fogo's Discord using Metrica. This kind of task is often overlooked, but it could unlock future rewards. No promises, but it's better to be early and on top of it. A link on how to do that is below. And that's a wrap for this week. It's never been a better time to pull up a seat by the fire. Subscribe, join the camp, and help us reach 1,000 explorers. I'll see you on the next one. Be Fogo fast.